Hi everyone, how's everyone doing today? And for me, I know that I'm doing super great. And if you guys are wondering why I'm feeling so happy, let me introducing you guys to Everyday. Everyday is the all-in-one health tracking app where you're able to track your workout, sleep, and diet all together. But first, let me tell you guys more about who we are. My name is Andy. We got Dominic, Josh, and Enzo here at Everyday. And let me tell you guys more about our story. So, what are our inspiration? Did you know that the small, consistent habit of building block of a healthier, happier you? However, tracking habit often means juggling multiple apps, each focusing on one single aspect of health. This approach feels overwhelming and discouraging. We realize that people need a simpler, more engaging solution, something that combines all these features into one seamless experience. How are we different? You may ask. Everyday goal is to create a fun, engaging, motivating interface to help people track their diet, sleep, and workout all together. In our app, we got integrated AI chatbot. You can get instant recipe idea, nutrition advice, workout recommendation, or calorie suggestion tailored to your needs. We also got fun interactive mascot. Meet your virtual friend Apley, Buffy, and Snuggly, designed to guide and motivate you. We also got smart device interaction. You can lock your metric and support for wearable. And last but not least, we also got friendless feature. Stay connected by adding friend, family, and peer together to track your progress and share motivation. And that was a quick run through of who we are and what we do here every day. Now I will hand it over to Dominic and he will show you guys more of the dashboard.
So here's the dashboard screen, and this is just sort of a big picture overview of how you're doing for the day and how close you are to reaching your health goals. So at the top, we have the health score tab, and that's just a score of 1 to 100 on how well you're doing for the day. Then if you scroll down, we have the diet, the sleep, and the exercise tabs, and the weight tracking tab. And so this is just sort of, if you want to check the app for a quick couple minutes, just give you a good overview of how you're doing. And then at the top, if you want to hit this talk to us button, it'll actually open a chat bot. And here you can ask it just anything that a normal ChatGPT like chatbot can do. But we also have some integrated function here. So if you say, I ate, let's say an apple for dinner, you hit send, this will actually track that apple for you. So if you want to go back and look at our diet here, and scroll down to dinner, you can see it added the apple for you, and that's just a little way to save some time instead of having to do that manually.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the sleep and workout sections of the app. And so for the sleep page, you can see that there is a calendar at the top where you can select a specific date, or you can use the arrows to go to the previous or the next date. In this case, let's just go to today. And we can see that there is already a sleep entry. So let's just add the one for today. We go to add sleep. And let's just say that we slept for 7 hours. And the quality was, let's just say 8. Submit. And then we see that the new sleep entry appears right here. We can also see that there are two charts, one at the top and one at the bottom, where you can see more details about your sleep entries, such as the sleep hours for the week or for the month. And for the one in the bottom, you can change between quality of sleep and hours of sleep. Then let's just go to workout. And it is a similar structure where you have the ability to choose a specific date at the top. But at the bottom, you can see that there are predefined routines that you can use. Whenever you create the app, you don't have to create them. They already come with your account. But you also have the ability to add a new routine. So let's just do that. Let's click on add routine, and then let's rename it to arm routine. And we can add different exercises. So we click on that. And we just, we search for curls. And then we add that. And you can also see that you can set the reps and the weight. And so we click on create routine. And that's how you create routines.
At Evryday, we make tracking your diet a breeze. First off, when you navigate to the diet screen, you get a quick overview of your calories for the week and a breakdown of the calories and macros that you've eaten so far today. There are 3 ways to track your food intake, but they all start with selecting a meal. Earlier today, I added milk, using the simplest of these methods, which is simply just to click Add a Food, search for your food, click on it, and add it to your meal. The second option is simply to scan the barcode on the item you're eating. It'll add it to our app, and you can go ahead and add the amount you want to eat, and it'll add it. The third option is to use a recipe, and this is really great for when you have a go-to meal or you eat the same breakfast every other day, and you don't want to have to put the items in again and again. To add a recipe to a meal, you open the top navigation menu, choose Use a Recipe, and select one that you've previously created, and it'll add all of those foods to your meal. Another major feature of Evryday is bringing people together. As part of this, when you go to the profile screen, you can add friends and view their status of how they've done so far today. It's as simple as pressing Add Friend, finding your friend within this list, and adding them. On this page, you can also see the friends who have added you, the people who you're still waiting on a response on, and you can add them back. Once you've added a friend, you can view their profile, and then you can only see the information that they've allowed you to see. In this case, Liam has chosen to hide his account information, workout and sleep, and is only showing diet. Within this screen, you can also go ahead and customize your avatar icon. You can choose a new background, let's say blue, and let's be a monkey.
So for a brief overview of the technology stack that we use to create Evryday, the backend was created using AWS Amplify, and all of that was hosted on an EC2 instance. The front end of our app was created using React Native, with most of the code written in JavaScript and a little bit of TypeScript sprinkled in. The authentication service we used for user sign up was Cognito, and that was also hosted on AWS. And the database that we used for the backend was DynamoDB. And that is going to do it for this brief video introduction to our app. So thank you for watching, and please visit evryday.us to learn more and try downloading our app on the Google Play Store. Thank you.